family gloves.
Or you could just show that one.
Right? Then check this one out. We got the Halloween merch fully in. What y'all think? Let me know if you want to buy merch. Merch is available now. Hey family, how you doing? Heather here. Meow. What's going on, people? Good morning, good morning. Send Red Rover over. You good, baby?
Yeah.
Bata goes in his whining state. I pray everybody is good. I pray everybody woke up to see this beautiful warm day, because today is going to be 80 degrees. The next couple of days is going to be in the 80s. Like, seriously? Are we going into November? I don't know, but this is weird. This is very weird. I got the witch flying across on a broomstick. My Christmas tree. Yeah. Well, how are you guys doing today? I'm alright. I'm good. You know, it is what it is. You know, our refrigerator went out over the weekend on Saturday, something like that, right? And I called management Monday. We'll send somebody to over, blah, 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 blah. Nobody came. I called back yesterday. I said, hey, dude, they never came. Oh, I'll make sure he comes today, ma'am. All right. Nobody came. Heather calls him again this morning. Yo, like, seriously, what the fuck going on? I lost my food on Saturday. You all keep telling me that you're going to send somebody over. Come look at the refrigerator. What is there to look at? It's not working, bro. It's a new refrigerator. Only like less than 5 months old. And it's not working. Well, it's good. I'm like, I need a refrigerator. I'm about to go grocery shopping on the 12th when I come back. Well, the 13th. You know, when I come back from California to go shopping for Thanksgiving. Like, seriously? We have no fucking refrigerator. What the fuck we gonna do? Yes, I have a deep freezer, but you can't put fruits and vegetables and shit like that in the freezer. You know, so it's like, guys, it's like we can't win. You know what I mean? Like, no matter what we do, we always get fucking kicked down, man, and I'm so tired of it. I don't have no money for, you know, for a refrigerator. Else I would have fucking went and got one myself, you know? We don't have no more food, so we fucked. Even if we had food, like say we had milk or anything like that, which we don't, but we can't put it outside on the fire escape because it's 80 degrees. Now, if it was cooler, I would have been able to put some stuff on the fire escape right there outside the, you know, that window right there. But can't because it's literally 78 degrees. You know, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I know. Bless you, baby. Bless you. Oh, bless you for. Oh, bless you for the whole day. You're welcome. What you said? Other fam said, bless you, Manny.
Oh, you're welcome.
He said, oh, you're welcome. That's smart mouth.
Thank you.
Allergies.
Yeah.
You know what it is? The little hairs from our babies. They get stuck in your nose and they go like that. Hold on. Alright guys, that's my cousin. I have her on the tablet. Yeah, you good. She's over there. She got long hair, so she's trying to brush it. But yeah, so that's what, you know, we've been going through for the past, since Saturday. Now, you know, on the weekends you can't call nobody because nobody's in the office. But when you call and you tell them that you're having this problem, like literally, they're supposed to be at your door, you know what I mean? But no, they don't give a fuck about you, me, or nobody. All they care about is their money. You know, and that right there is fucked up. If you can't take care of your tenants, you know, it's not a cool look. But anyway, it ain't gonna be a long video because I'm stressed out and it's just fucking with me because we got no food now, you know. But what can we do? But live day by day like we do. Tomorrow's video, I'm gonna put up an old video. So I'm gonna bring back like a old school video. So I really hope you guys enjoy that video for tomorrow. But guys, if you guys want the merch shirts, you already know what to do. Get in touch with me on Instagram, Messenger, and leave me a comment down below. Oh, my stomach started to hurt. The hernia hurts. But anyway, please tell your family and friends to like, subscribe, share, follow me literally on everything. Remember, hit that notification bell when you want to be notified when I put up my brand new videos. I love each and every one of you. God bless, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Peace.